Hi everybody, my name is Dr. David Perrodin, and I will be your instructor for Educational Leadership 655, Pupil Services and Nondiscrimination, Spring 2022, Viterbo University. The purpose of this video is to outline the expectations for this course, to review the syllabus, and then also do a brief tour of Moodle. So let's begin. This course is 100% asynchronous. All assignments are in Moodle. There are 7 weekly modules followed by a longer research module. You have 1 book required for class, and that is School of Errors, Rethinking School Safety in America. You will have a weekly fireside chat for each week of class. Those will be about 15 minutes long, and I record those to also highlight some of the posts that you've made during the week, and that it can also be very responsive to what might be happening in the greater education community at that time. You'll post your responses to discussion questions each Thursday, and then you also need to make 8 additional discussion thread posts. Those can be to questions, optional questions that I've put in class, or responses to your classmates, and those need to be about 40 words in length, so about 4 sentences. If you're struggling with that, or if I see something that isn't quite what I'm expecting, I'll model it and I'll also let you know, but you'll get the hang of that very quickly. I will open the new Moodle modules each Sunday night. For example, the module for week 2 will appear on Sunday, January 30th. So as you go through, and we'll do that in just a little bit, you'll only see the first week module, but the second week, third week, fourth, and so on will appear as we go through class. Post your biography on January 24th. That's the first day of class. So post your biography on that day. Please don't post your biography or anything else to class before the 24th. Even though it's open and you'll be able to access it, please don't begin posting until the 24th. But on the 24th, I need you to put your biography in there. It's a way that I can communicate to Viterbo that, yes, you have participated in class. Please share resources with the class and check with your school to make sure that it's okay to share, for example, a form that your district might have developed. We learn a lot from each other, and typically the sharing of documents makes all of our jobs a little bit easier. So I encourage you to do that. At the end of this class, you're going to have the option to do a written final assignment or a phone call final with me. So just so you're looking down the road which option you want to go with, you won't need to make that decision for quite a while. So now I'm going to take us over to the syllabus. Welcome to the syllabus for Educational Leadership 655. This syllabus is attached to your introduction email and is also available in class. Please go through the syllabus and contact me with any questions. So a quick tour here of the syllabus, the required book, School of Errors, course learning objectives. And as we work down, you're going to find a course calendar. January 10th through the 23rd, the course will be open, and that's just for orientation, just so you can take a tour, download some of the materials, but you don't need to post to class until January 24th, the first week. So we can look of what is due the first day, your biography post on January 24th, and on January 27th, your discussion question responses, and on the 29th, your disabilities population post. That is described in the syllabus. You will also be working with a learning team on a food allergy case study. So email me if there's somebody in particular you want to work with, and I will try to make sure that you are assigned to the same team. Please do that before January 29th. So as we scroll down, here are the remaining weeks in course, and March 14th through April 8th, that is a longer time frame to work on your final project. And also, a lot of people have spring breaks over this span, so it is meant to be more accommodating to you. The final day of class is Friday, April 8th. So just follow the calendar and you will be set. All of those dates are also in Moodle. Your assignments, making sure that you are participating in class with your 8 post, your discussion questions, your biography, student disability population post, a SWOT analysis, a FEMA multi-hazard training document, and then also your existing non-discrimination practices paper, or that could be done via phone call. Plus, you'll be working with your learning team for your case study for a student with food allergies. Continuing through resources with Viterbo University, suggested readings, and then links. For week 1, post your biography to the designated discussion thread. Read the week 1 reflective teaching annotation. Post your district special education population numbers by primary disability. And then we have some links. Now, all of these links were working when I put this class together over the last few weeks, but if you find that a link isn't working, please let me know. And then we move into week 2, and we move into week 3, and so forth. And I will highlight each of these weeks in our fireside chats. There will be times you'll be referencing the book School of Airs in your weekly reading, but it might not necessarily correspond to questions in Moodle. And that is the course syllabus. Welcome to the viterbo.edu homepage. When you arrive here, click up above on My VU. And now click on Moodle. Click on EDUL 655 001 G2 2022. And now you are in class. My contact information is above, and announcements will be regularly updated. So please check here when you get into class, announcements. Right now I have a few already in there, including the text for the class. As we scroll down, Moodle student tutorials. These are wonderful to help you become familiar with Moodle, so please check out these tutorials. The course syllabus. We just went through that. Click, it's right here. Course rubrics, a SWOT analysis sample, and this goes along with an assignment for class. The week-by-week course schedule, so you can plan out, and that matches the calendar, which is in your syllabus. The Cyber Cafe. Hey, if we have something we want to share, it doesn't particularly fit with one of the discussion threads, please put it up there. Maybe a conference that's coming up, something to that effect. Resource sharing and technology tips. Week 1, January 24th through January 30th, Foundations of Pupil Services. My fireside chat will be here, the reflective teaching annotation, and then a video I produced on mainstreaming, inclusion, tolerance, and acceptance, unsnarling conflated terminology. A few articles, timelines of inclusion, and then your biography. So I'm going to click here, and it would be add a new discussion topic, and I have already posted my biography, and then your discussion questions. Our week 1 discussion question is here. So you'd add a new discussion topic. You'd respond to that. And don't worry, anything that you do in Moodle, I can undo. So go ahead. And our week 2 discussion question. And then a short video and any week 1 thoughts or reflections that you want to add to class. So that's it. That's everything that you will see when you go in. And again, once we get into week 2, week 3, as you go in, you'll automatically see those new week forums appear.